Alright, I do want to be clear, just because I have chosen combination or substitution doesn't mean you have to make those same choices. I'm going to start with this one here, just because I feel like it. And with this one here, even though I could easily make this into substitution, it is far easier to use combination because these are already opposites of each other. So I don't have to multiply through by anything to make them disappear, which is awesome. I then have adding up together 2x is equal to negative 8, and x is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 is one of the answers, and then negative 4 plus y equals negative 17. So that would be what, negative 13? For the other one. This one here, I definitely would put that into there. So that would be, I'm sorry, that was combination. So this one would be substitution. And so x minus a 3x is equal to negative 4. That gives us negative 2x. And x is equal to 2. And so you plug it in, so 3 times 2 is 6. This one here, I don't know. I would just go ahead and move the y over there. You're going to have to move something anyhow, either divide by 4 or move the y or whatever. So I'm just going to move the y over there because I see that that's already a positive 4x. And then that's going to be a negative y when I move it. And then that's going to be a 6. So let me show you one more time. Let me make it a little bit bigger as well. So I saw that these were already opposites of each other. So if I move the y over, it becomes a negative. This stays a positive, and then that's a 6. So I'm going to go ahead and use combination. You easily could have used substitution. You really kind of could do either one on this one. Those cancel out beautifully, but this leaves you a negative 2y equals 16. So y is equal to negative 8. And then I need to plug it in to solve for x. So wherever, it doesn't really matter. 4x is equal to negative 8 plus 6. 4x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to negative 1/2. Now, this is one of the ones you might have been waiting for. We have fraction land. Don't be frightened. Do you see each one of these numbers here? If I multiply every single thing by 8, which is what you do anyhow with these guys, is you multiply through by something. 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2. So this is 8 over 4 is negative 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. And look, voila, magic. No more decimals or fractions. Same thing through here. I'm going to multiply through by the least common multiple of 6. So not a negative 6, a positive 6. So this one here ends up being just 6 divided by 6, which is 1, which is a y, not to be confused. This is 6 divided by 3, which is 2, and that is a negative. And then this is 6 divided by 3, which is a 2. And I do just want to make sure I didn't lose any negatives. So this y is a positive, this x is a negative, and this one is a positive. Now look at these. Do you see that those are identical? They're exactly the same. So if I subtract them from each other, you're going to get that all of them eliminate. So if this is true, then what we need is an infinite number of solutions.